to our industry. So some asked me that I should do a video on trading futures on Binance. So what you do currently is click on Binance. So I want to trade futures trade right now. So I'm going to make it a live trade, and I'm going to share the results later. That is if I have the time. I'll eventually share the result. So currently we can see that in the market there has been a little bit of downtrend currently. Um, you can see trustworthy token the gain most gain at 26%, which is not making any sense to me. So but we are trading futures. How do we make money trading futures? You click on futures trade. So this was the trade I intend on taking, but I eventually slept off. So I should have taken this trade around 1.8. This is 2.8. Currently, I can still take this trade because my from technical analysis, I expect it to get around 0.004 from a technical analysis. That is around 50% of it, but I don't really care. So I'm not going to take this trade. I just want to teach you. So this is what you do from this trade. Number one, we have the perpetual, a lot of coins that are present here. You have hundreds of coins that are present. Okay, this is it. All the coins. You have hundreds of coins that are present. But basically, for me, I don't usually trade some coin. I trade coin with smaller, or let me just say basically, I trade coins with potential. Let me put it that way. I trade coin with potential. Doesn't mean that Bitcoin does not have potential. It's the father of all market. But I decide to choose some coin to trade. So for example, the last time I checked, Ethereum Classic was at $35. Currently, it has increased with over $10. So let me click on Ethereum Classic. The last time I checked, yeah. So it was around this level, $35. Yeah, okay. It was around this level the last time I checked. $35. It was around this place. So you can see that if we have placed a trade between $35 and $46, that is $10 increase. And there are still and taking a look at this market, we can see that we are still on our higher high. That is, the market is still moving to the upside. Currently the market is still moving to the upside. So whenever you want to trade, I'm just going to tell you basic trading strategies, trading um, Ethereum Classic, and you can trade other coins. You may decide to trade Bitcoin, Ethereum, Bitcoin Cash, Ripple, EOS, Litecoin, Tron, many coins like that. But I intentionally choose Ethereum Classic. So whenever you want to trade, this is what we call from this level. This is what we call leverage. Let me try to. This is your leverage. This is the leverage in the market. So, and what does leverage mean? So leverage work in this sense. Let's assume you have $100 and you want to trade, and you intend on increasing. You don't want to trade $100, but you want to trade with higher amount. So from here, this will be your $100 multiplied by 11. So let's say that's $11,000. Yeah, it's around $11,000. So your $100 becomes $11,000. So when you trade, you gain on your $11,000, not on your $100. But I usually advise as a beginner, whenever you want to trade, you trade at around 1 to 2, between 1 and 3. I want to the leverage you use between 1 and 3. Confirm it and change it from cross to isolated. What does that mean? It's simply if you use cross. So let's assume you have $200 in your futures account and you intend on using just $100. So the moment it is on cross, it will okay, let me put this way. Binance would make sure your position is sustained on this entire money you have in your wallet. Instead of your $100, it will be sustained on your 100 on your $200. So basically, if you get liquidated, you're going to lose all your money. So in order not to get liquidated, what do? You have to change it to isolated. Then click on confirm. Remember, your leverage should be 3x as a beginner. Make sure you're making a maximum of 3x. Thank you. So after that, what do you want to do? You have to, I'm very sure that I taught you limit order and the likes. So basically, I don't have any USDT because I sold it off recent and I'm going to buy new at least 100 USDT today for my trade. I'm going to get at least 100 USDT for my trade. So basically, this is what I'm talking about. So the moment you see this, you come to the chart. So you have to go to your trading view and then make sure whenever you get a trading view, make sure you do your technical analysis from my previous videos. Make sure you do the technical analysis before you take this trade. Else you lose all your fund. So for you not to lose your fund, go and do your technical analysis. So whenever you want to buy, what you do is you click on buy. You meant to click on buy, you can buy on limit order. You can buy. So these are the prices people are willing to buy. We have some people that are willing to buy at the rate of 46.714, and currently the price is 46.709. So if you fulfill that order, we have people that are sorry, those that are willing to sell rather. So the green is for buy, while the red is for sell. So you have those that are ready to buy at 46.719. It has already fulfilled that order. Some are ready to buy at 46.715, 7.71, like that. So you don't have problem with that. So eventually, if you want to buy, you don't want to buy at 46.69, just click 46.4. Let's put it that way. Let's say 46.4. So it may, if you do your technical analysis very well, it may drop to that level. I teach you to use your Fibonacci retracement. So if it is going to retrace, it must retrace to around the 50% or retrace to around the 61 point. Yeah, 60 point or 61%. Those are the two valid point of retracement. So if it goes below that level, you sell. Immediately you sell. So this is what you do currently. So immediately you do that, then click on buy long. I have insufficient margin, I said it there. So, but if I do something like 32x, I'm very sure I can still buy. I don't know. Okay, that's a lie. I can't buy anything because I have zero USDT there. So immediately you click on buy. So here you see your open position. So I'm going to do this. I think I have a little bit of PUSD. So yeah, I have PUSD. So let me try it on Dutch. I have, I think I have PUSD. Okay, yeah. Okay, I have PUSD. Yeah, I have PUSD. So currently you click on, so currently with what the market is doing, you can see that this is an obvious downtrend. This is an obvious downtrend. So currently, if I'm to trade this coin, I have to check out. I have to make sure I analyze the crypto before I trade this coin. Else, I'm in for a loss. So if I'm to, is that buy or sell? So technically, let me just click on buy. Let's assume I'm buying. So click on buy. So just for you to understand what I'm trying to say, this is forex. I want to change it to 2x. So I'm changing it to 2x, and I'm using a market order. Let's assume I want to use a market order. I'm fulfilling my order. So you can see that instead I basically have 10 BUSD. This is the amount I have, 10 BUSD. But when I change it to 2x, you can see that my current balance is 20 BUSD. That is the power of leveraging. So if I want to change it from 2x to, let's assume, 8x, you realize that my $10 becomes $81. Instead of $10, I'm having $81. Okay, clear it off. And just like I said, you have to make sure you change it to isolated margin. Yep, sorry, back to so isolated margin. So the moment after you've done that, what do I if you have to change it to avoid loss, I want to change it to around 2x. Then you click on buy, buy. So here are the positions. So you can see that there is a position. It's on green currently, but I didn't expect it to be on, not until I don't predict, not until I've done my technical analysis. So after I've done my technical analysis, then this is when I decide if I'm in profit or in loss. So let's now assume after you've entered this trade, if this trade go against you, you want to, okay, this you can basically set your stop limits and your take profit. So let's assume I want to set my stop limit. I'm going to set my stop limit at this candlestick that is below. If anything, so I'm going to set my stop limit at around this level. So if anything makes this candle drop to this level, then I'm asking the system to sell it immediately. So now this is what I'll do whenever I want to set my stop limit. So now let's do it this way. Let's assume I want to set my stop limit, then you're going to click on this and you can see that at this level I have 0.12171. If I want to set the stop limit, this is 0.12171. So you click on sell, you come to stop profit and loss, then you click on, you type 0.12171. So you have to know if you want to sell 50% of it, you click on 50%. If you want to sell 75% of it, click on 75%. And the moment you touch that, if you want to sell 100%, you click on 100%. And taking a look at it, you can see I'm only going to use lose 0.09 cent, not even up to 1 cent. I'm going to lose 0.019 cent. That is the power of using the leverage I used. So after that, then you click on confirm. Then you confirm it. That because I said it is in the market is in the downtrend. So I said that the market is currently in the downtrend. So which I'm going to sell very soon. So now let's say I want to set my take profit. So you come to your chart, you click on, let's assume this is the current price, and I want to take my profit at around this level. I want to take my profit at around this level. Yeah. So I'm going to click on this and draw it to around this level. So this is basically 0.12305. So I'm going to sell it at 0.12305. Click on sell, click on stop profit and loss 0.12305. So if the market go in my direction, I'm going to get 0.13 BUSD. I hope you understand now. Then just click confirm. So immediately you confirm it. So if the market, so these are your open orders. So if this market gets below 0.123, what you do is what? Sell it. Sorry, yeah. If it gets to 0.123, what you do is sell and you take your profit. And if it gets below 0.121, what do you do? Immediately it sell it off. So to avoid more loss. So I'm going to cancel this and do one more thing. So I want to short trade now. If you want to short trade, so there is one to we call trading short. So I'm going to close this position right now. So if you want to short trade, just the way you buy, you can sell. So you click on sell. So I want to make use of the market. This thing I have 10.24 USD. I click on 100%. Then click on sell. Yeah. So that is in with futures trade you can buy and you can sell and you can still make profit. So this is what I'm explaining back then. So with your 2x, and remember it is an isolated margin. So when you come to the position, you can see the logo here, it is S, which means short. So whenever you want to set your stop loss and take profit, remember your take profit should be below because you are selling. So let's assume my take profit is around this level, which is 0 point. I will set my take profit at 0 point. Let me mark it. So at around this level, I want to sell at around this level. So what do? Now log press. So let's show this 10. So that is 0 0.12129. So you click on sell, click on 0.12129. So you have 12 cents. If the trade comes to your direction, you confirm it. Confirm. Then if you want to run out of this trade, if for any reason the trade goes against you, so you have to run out at the previous candlestick. That's what I basically advise at this level. At this level. Around this level, so you run out of the market. So that is 0 0.12 0.12245. So if your loss should not be more than at least 3% of your total capital. So click on this place, 0.12250. So you come back, you click on stop profit and loss, click on 0.12210. Oh, sorry, 0.12210. So now I think I made a mistake over there. Go back to this. That is 0.125 12254 0.12254. So you click on 0.12254. Oops, I think I made another mistake. So 0.12252 rather, 0.12252. Take care. 0.12252. Are you joking? You should not be in loss now. At least we buy at around this level. I want to sell at around this level. 0.12254. 0.12254. Okay, this is 0.1225. What have I done? Oh, sorry. Yeah, just put 0.12254. 0.12254. 12254. So you're going to lose 0.08 cent. That will be your loss. So which is a good thing. So immediately. So whatever you want, to close it, you just click on close trade. You confirm it. That's the end of that trade. So you go to your this thing. So you come here, then you click on futures. So this is where you see everything that is going on your account, on your futures account. So it's as simple as that. So that will be the end of today's class.